gracefully. The spine is carefully inserted into the metal torso frame. Robotic arms align mounting points with extreme
internal rib-like supports installed inside the torso. They protect core components and reinforce chest structure. Macro shot showing layered engineering.
The torso is transferred to the main assembly bay. Overhead cranes move it smoothly into position, ready for internal machinery installation.
Hydraulic artificial muscle systems installed inside the torso. Cables and pistons align along natural muscle paths. Slow, precise robotic arm movements.
Servo motors mounted into shoulder joints. Metal teeth lock smoothly with no vibration. Extreme close-up emphasizes mechanical precision.
Look at the energy curve on Sector Gamma.
I see it. Stabilization sequence complete. All green.
Robotic leg frames assembled with reinforced knee joints. Designed for stable walking and balance.
Leg wiring installed internally with layered protection. Shock-absorbing materials added. Ultra-realistic mechanical detail.
System-wide wiring check begins.
Initial finger movement test performed. Fingers flex slowly and stop. Perfect mechanical response.
Foot and ankle articulation test begins. Toes adjust slightly under load. Balance algorithms activate.
Full internal diagnostic hologram surrounds the robot. Green indicators confirm system stability. No errors detected.
The flexibility seems within tolerance.
The optical scan confirms uniformity. We can proceed.
Check the orbital symmetry with the caliper.
Measuring now. Reading is 3.5 millimeters.
Matches the specifications, we are good to proceed.
Rotation is unrestricted at full articulation.
Flexibility confirmed. The panels are secure.
Foot skin installed with detailed toe separation. Ankle joints hidden beneath natural contours. Clean, medical-grade installation.
The micro-expressions are registering smoothly now.
Yes, precision levels are optimal. Sequence complete. Upper body posture calibration performed. Robot adjusts shoulders and spine alignment. Human-like stance achieved.
First assisted standing test begins. Support rig holds the robot lightly. Feet align naturally with the floor.
Cadence is consistent, but the right ankle flexion is slightly lower than the baseline.
Noted. Let's monitor the next few steps.
Turning movement test performed. Robot pivots smoothly without over-rotation. Balance maintained throughout.
Stair simulation test begins. Robot lifts foot and places it carefully. Controlled ascent and descent.
Hand dexterity test starts. Robot opens and closes fingers slowly. Precision movement confirmed. Head-eye coordination test begins. Robot tracks a moving target smoothly. Natural eye focus behavior.
Hello. Greetings. How may I help you?
Audio response calibration continues. Robot adjusts volume and tone. Human-like voice output.
Are the system diagnostics complete on the new power conduit yet? We need to verify stability before the next phase.
Diagnostics are 75% complete. No anomalies detected.
Emotion response test initiated.
Extended walking test across factory floor. Consistent stride maintained. Endurance systems stable.
Final visual inspection under studio lighting. Skin tone, proportions, and motion verified. Ready for packaging phase.
Protective transport preparation begins. Soft supports placed around joints. Handling protocols followed.
Navigation complete. Ready for transfer.
Excellent. Initiating phase 2.
Protective transport preparation begins. Soft supports placed around joints. Handling protocols followed.
Navigation complete. Ready for transfer.
Excellent. Initiating phase 2.
Okay, easy now. Watch the arm clearance.
Straps are fastened. Head support is secure.
Protective foam panels placed around the robot's torso and joints. Pressure-sensitive materials prevent movement damage. Close-up shows careful craftsmanship. Transparent protective film wrapped around the robot body. Surface remains visible while fully protected. Anti-static treatment applied.
High-strength foam layers added inside the package.
Critical joints receive extra cushioning. Quality control checklist displayed nearby.
In the quiet of the new day, our fleet moves seamlessly through the city, bringing progress to your door.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Oh, wow.
This is amazing.
Wow, did you see that?
Oh,
It's amazing how smoothly it moves.
it really is quite robust.
Greetings. I am so pleased to meet you. How may I assist you today?
Miss Kim, thank you for reviewing the diagnostic data.
And Mr. Lee, the operational parameters are well within the projected efficiency margins.
Are you having fun, sweetie?
Yes, the robot is so nice.
I like the basket it's holding.
With a heart full of courage, the little mouth reached the moon, proving that dreams really can come true.